name is Chelsea Rose and I'm here with All Good Things, and this is my curve model story. I think body positivity is just that, being positive about all body styles, shapes, heights, and just everybody individually. So I do think we are going in that direction. I've seen it on the runways, but I would love to see it more in e-com so that people can relate to all different styles of body. I got started modeling with like smaller brands where they would just need somebody for the day or just like little e-com stuff, and that's the best way to get started. Follow them on Instagram, connect with them, comment, show them your interests, and I'm sure they'll reach out. Okay, well, definitely on my assets. Definitely my eyes. I always make eye contact, so you have no choice but to look at my eyes. I like my waist. I think I'm pretty proportionate to everything else in my body. I am 5'8", 42, 35, and 51. So the one thing a guy can do to ruin a date with me is to not listen. I'm gonna talk a lot. You don't have to remember everything, but you have to at least engage and show interest. This was my curve model story. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at I am Chelsea Rose. Thanks for watching.